Now we will configure a central time schedule in WebPort for our ventilation system LB01. First, we need to enable time schedules. As default, it's not activated. Let's navigate to System Settings, then Server, and Schedules, and enable schedules. Let's save. Let's exit System Settings and click on Home. Now we see that we have a new icon for schedules. Let's click on that and add a new schedule. Let's name it LB01. And description is Schedule for LB01. And save. Now we can configure our schedule. With page links, we can connect this schedule to one specific page so that users can quickly access a list of schedules associated with that page. It can demonstrate quick on the other demo project. We are now on demo system LB01. And here at top we have schedules. And if we click here, we access a list of schedules associated with this page. Let's go back. Let's select LB01 as our page link. The first state we define is also the default state. It's common to have an off state as default. Then we define what should happen. Let's enter our schedule tag and equal 0. Then we want to add an on state. Let's enter the same tag, but equal 1, and save. We can put the mode to auto and save. We will see that it will be off as the default state because we haven't configured the week schedule. Let's inactivate the mode again and add a new event. You can choose a start time and end time, and what the state the event should be in. You can select groups of days, specific days, eve, holidays, or custom created groups. Let's select Monday to Friday under office hours. And state on. And save. If, for example, you're working with a school, you might want to have another state. Let's add a new state and call it holiday. And we want to write value 2 to the same tag. Save. Now we want to add the holiday state to our schedule. We could add a new period and select the time frame and state. Or we can create a custom group. Let's go to Group and add a new. Let's call it School Holiday and save. And select that and add a new period. Let's select the dates for the holiday. And save. Now we go back to our schedule and add a new event and select our custom group. And during office hours, since teachers will be working, and not all classrooms will require the same climate as usual, and select our state for holiday and save. Now we can set the mode to auto. And it should turn on. And it did. Great. We can also add a portlet to our process page that displays the state of our schedule. Let's open LB01. Enter Edit Mode and scroll down to Portlets and drag in the time schedule portlet where we want it. If we select it, we can select the schedule we want. It automatically linked it because we linked it to this page and only have one schedule. You have the option to adjust some design settings. And save. Now we see the active state of the time schedule.